In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to migrate from Squarespace to WordPress. Transitioning your website from one platform to another might seem like a daunting task, but with the right guidance, it can be straightforward and stress-free. Whether you're looking for more customization options or want to take advantage of WordPress's robust features, this guide will walk you through each critical step of the process. First things first, before making the leap from Squarespace to WordPress, it's essential to secure a reliable hosting provider for your WordPress site. Hosting is where all your website files will be stored, so opting for a reputable provider ensures that your website runs smoothly and efficiently. Once you've chosen a hosting service, go ahead and install WordPress. Most hosting providers offer one-click installations, making this part quick and simple. After installation, you'll need a theme for your WordPress site. WordPress offers a variety of themes, both free and premium, which you can explore and customize to reflect your brand identity. Now that your WordPress site is ready, it's time to export your content from Squarespace. Within your Squarespace settings, locate the Advanced section and click on Export. For the most part, this export will encompass the majority of your content. However, do keep in mind that there are limitations. Only certain content types such as pages, posts, and images will transfer smoothly, while products, event pages, and your custom CSS may need manual handling later on. Once you've successfully exported your content, transfer these files to your WordPress site. Navigate to the WordPress dashboard, go to Tools, and select Import. Here, you're going to import the file you previously downloaded from Squarespace. It's a fairly straightforward process, but be prepared for some quirks. Not everything might look perfect right away, as some manual adjustments will be necessary to fine-tune the appearance and functionality of your new WordPress site. Remember those elements that didn't transfer over seamlessly? This is the part where you address them. Manually add any remaining content, such as products or events, that didn't make the automatic transition to ensure a comprehensive site migration. Additionally, take this opportunity to refine your design using WordPress's vast array of plugins and widgets, enhancing both aesthetics and functionality. Finally, with everything migrated and polished on WordPress, there's a crucial step: redirecting your domain. This ensures that folks who visit your old Squarespace site will be redirected to the new WordPress one. This step is important for maintaining your site's ranking on Google and ensuring your visitors have a seamless transition. You'll need to set up a 301 redirect. Consult your hosting provider's documentation to find the best way to set this up, as this can vary. Congratulations, you've now successfully migrated from Squarespace to WordPress. With a bit of patience and diligence, the transition will be well worth it. Dive into WordPress's extensive customization options and make your website uniquely yours. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your new WordPress journey.